Hi, Santosh. Good afternoon. Please share your screen, Santosh.
Last time, if you remember last time also I received the same thing. I think you have corrected it.
Okay, now I'll figure it out. Yeah, please share your screen.
Wow.
The same issue when you're doing the advance.
Yeah, earlier when I was doing in the accounts payable vendor payment only, I
Mm-hmm.
received it FB60,
Mm-hmm.
and now also it is while doing FB70.
Yeah, let us figure it out. Okay.
Yeah, I'm sharing my screen.
Yes, please do. Okay, you have referred the both, right? Let
Yeah,
me
I have
see the
received.
error first. Go to new
Okay.
session and open the error. Or if you already have the existing error, you can show it off to me. Go to new session.
Yeah, I mean actually this
Okay, I think the meeting controls were hide, right?
right. So just check one second.
Yeah. Can you please enlarge the screen? You can control your, flotations. If you're facing any obstacle with the flotation screen upside, you can click on the three dots and you can click on hide flotation, meeting flotation controls.
Oh,
Is that okay?
yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. Please enlarge your screen. This one. Yeah, this window.
One.
Post posting key 01200 set incorrectly. Okay. Can you go to FS00? Close this screen. Slash n FS00.
No, no.
Okay. Go assert 200 200. Can you click on create bank interest? I just want to check with the group which you have given. Okay. Z067. Close this window. Okay. And close this one. Let us compare the Z067 and
You want me to open?
yeah, from general data.
Okay.
OBC4. I mean OB41. OBC4 is already existing this site.
Someone.
Clear the lock entries and open OB41. You select the general data here as well. Okay. Next field. Okay. Next field. Next field. Everything is same. Okay. Can you give me the remote control access? I want to check the down page as well. Yeah. Don't use your screen. I'll check with that.
Okay.
Let me check from first. Okay, you have the page one. See, this might be the reason. Okay.
Okay. But this I couldn't see how it is.
Here we have the down page symbol, right?
Okay. Okay.
I use that. Okay.
Okay.
See this one.
Okay. Fine. Special region. I think this is the one causing.
That is the reason.
Yeah, okay. Fine.
Let us check again with all other pages as well.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. That's great. And let's go to next page. We have to check here. How many page numbers do we have? Then
Okay.
you
Okay.
can able to see that.
Fine. I was checking only the fields
Yeah,
which are visible.
no problem. That is hidden, right? Generally,
Yeah.
everybody will avoid that. Not a problem. I think now everything is fine. I'm closing the screen, Santosh.
Yeah.
This one as well. Can you help me with the T code? F dash
FB,
20 8
FB70. FB70.
FB70.
Uh,
Invoice you're doing, not the advance.
not payment, it's an invoice one.
Okay. I think this
Enter.
will work now.
So,
Yes, yes.
awesome.
Okay.
Yeah, it's working. It's working.
Yeah. Is that clear, Santosh? Next time
Yeah,
you
yeah. Yeah.
refer the page numbers. Okay.
Sure, sure.
Okay. Thank you, Santosh.
Thanks, Komalika.